Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can restore deleted items or files in Google Drive. So if you accidentally delete a file from your drive and then you want to restore it to be safe again on the drive, this is how you are going to do it. So in here, open your drive, and then on the left side panel you can just click on this trash option, and you'll see the trashed item. So item in trash will be deleted forever after 30 days. So after 30 days you cannot recover any of the file that you deleted. Okay, so to start the recover the file, you can just right click on the file that you want to restore, and in here there will be two options, restore and delete forever. So just tap on the restore in here, and you can see that the file has been restored. You can just click on the show file location to check the file. Okay, so here is the recover file. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.